Soft heartbeat, dum dum. A voice is rising from the hills. A song is born from this beloved land. Nagaland, we are your sons and daughters. With one heartbeat we lift our lives together. In Kohima District the Angami voices rise. The mountain carries their melody with love. In Mon District the our songs are singing, and dreams shine brightly deep in our hearts. In District the Sumi land is calling. Kohima District, Lotha stories live on. In Mon District, Konyak voices echo, carrying the memories of generations. 17 Jati, one heartbeat. Nagaland, mapita mo'y kanekta asi. Hataro, half among the mountains. Mo'y kanlapka moram gana duloy jayasi. 17 Jati, one heartbeat. Tubakash nije mo'y kanmonekta kara asi. My Nagaland's name forever shine. In District, Chakhesang walks proudly. In Khiamniungan District, Rengma voices sing. In Parent District, Zeliang and Kuki stand together, not alone but united as one today. In Khiamniungan District, Sangtam melodies rise. In Khiamniungan District, Yimkhiung joins in. In District, Khiamniungan shine. Their heartbeat echoes through the mountains. In Longling District, Phom sings gently. In Khiamniungan District, Chang tells its story. In Melody District, Pochury lifts its voice. Tikhir and Kachari stand together today, yet our heartbeat remains the same. A living song through every generation. 17 tribes, one heartbeat. Mountains and rivers sing with us. Moi Moram Kora Nagaland, your name burns bright within our hearts. 17 tribes, one heartbeat. Mountains and rivers sing with us. More, your name burns bright within our hearts. Dum, dum, dum. The heartbeat will continue from generation to generation, from generation to generation.